Hello students, today we will begin with the calculations on our hire purchase system. In the last video I have sent you the journal entries in the books of the purchaser and seller. Today I will be explaining you how to calculate the interest under hire purchase system. Okay, let us see now. The first one is calculation of interest. Under that, when the cash price, each installment and the rate of interest are given. If in the problem the cash price means what? When you pay the total amount of particular machinery or anything assets, then it is called as cash price. Okay, each installment, when you buy the goods on hire purchase system, there will be an installment. So each installment amount is given and the rate of interest. These three information is given in the problem. In that case, how to calculate the interest. Okay, so let us see now how to calculate the interest. These are the explanation. I will explain you in the problem itself. Okay, how to calculate. But you have to remember the point that when the cash price, each installment and the rate of interest is given in the problem. Okay, so all these are given in the problem. In that case, how to calculate the interest. Okay, so let us go through the problem. A purchased a machine on hire purchase system. The cash price was rupees 10,000 and the payment was to be made as follows: rupees 2,000 down payment and the balance 3 installment each at the end of each year. 6% interest is charged by the hire seller per annum. Calculate the interest payable by the buyer to the seller on each year. Now first you have to check in the problem whether the cash price is given. Yeah, the cash price of the machine is 10,000, so cash price is given. And the payment was to be made as follows: 2,000 down payment, so you have down payment. We want, as per the condition, there should be a cash price, installment amount and the rate of interest. We have the cash price, okay, that is 10,000 rupees. We have the installment amount, that is 3,000 each at the end of each year, and 6% interest also. So we have all the three information. We have a cash price, we have installment amount, we have rate of interest. Now we will go and calculate. First what you have to do is, see, the calculation goes like this. You have to remember the calculation, it comes in the problem itself. So interest for the first installment. First you have to write cash price of the machine. What is the cash price of the machine? It is 10,000. Okay, less a down payment. There is a down payment here, that is your 2,000. So deduct less a down payment 2,000. The unpaid balance is 8,000 rupees. Okay, so the 10,000 is a cash price, less down payment, unpaid balance 8,000. Now what you have to pay charge? You have to charge interest. The interest rate is 6%. So 8,000 into 6%, you will get 480 rupees. Okay, so the interest is 480 rupees. The interest on first installment, 8,000 into 6%, 480. How we have calculated? First you take the cash price, deduct the down payment, you will get 8,000 rupees. From 8,000 take 6% interest, rate of interest is given 480. Now second installment, there is 3 installment. So second payment, what is the unpaid balance? See, 10,000 was the cash price. After 10,000 you have paid 2,000 rupees. So how much remaining to pay? 8,000. So unpaid balance for the first installment 8,000. Less the amount paid towards cash price. See, every installment, they what amount they will pay? They will pay the installment amount. So installment amount is 3,000 rupees they have paid. What is the actual interest is included in 3,000? So deduct the interest of last installment, say 480. So 3,000 minus 480. So how much actually paid except interest? 2,520. Okay, 8,000 is this amount you have to write. Then from the installment, each installment 3,000, you have to deduct the interest of last installment, that is first installment end they will pay. so that they have to deduct. You will get 2520. Deduct 8000 minus 2520, you will get 5480. Now calculate 6% of this. So 5480 into 6%, you will get 329. Okay. Now we will go for the last installment. What is the unpaid? When there is a last installment, the procedure is like this. When there is a last installment, you have to write total interest minus uh, interest of the first 2 years. So total interest, what is total interest? You have to find out. It is total interest is equal to higher purchase price minus cash price. Now what is higher purchase price? 3000 every installment they will pay for three installments. So 3000 into 3, 9000 plus 2000 cash, so it is 10,000. Okay. Plus 2000, that is 10 plus 2, it is 11 minus cash price 10,000. The total interest is 1000. Okay. So how you will get is total interest. How to calculate total interest? Total interest is equal to higher purchase price minus cash price. Okay. So the higher purchase price, how much? It is 3000 each installment. So 3000 into 3, you will get 9000 plus 2000 down payment, it is 11,000. 11,000 minus 10,000, the total interest here it is 1000. Okay. So this is how you have to calculate the total interest. Okay. Then next is what is the interest of this third installment? So total interest minus interest of the first installment and second installment, that is 1000 minus 480 minus 329, you will get 191. Okay. So this method you have to follow when cash price is given, installment amount is given, and interest rate is given. Okay. So cash price is given, installment amount is given, and rate of interest is given. Okay. So in that case you have to follow all these things. So calculation of interest, understood, right? First cash price, deduct the down payment, you will get for what is remaining. On that calculate interest 480. What is the interest on second installment? What is unpaid balance? 8000 less amount paid 3000. Last year's interest 480. 2520 deduct, you will get 5480. Calculate interest 329. Then for interest for third installment, total interest is equal to higher purchase price minus cash price, 3000 into 3, 9000 plus 2000 down payment minus 10,000 cash price, the total interest is 1000. So from 1000 deduct the interest of first installment and second installment, the remaining is 191. Okay. Now next is when the total cash price, amount payable towards the asset at the end of each installment, and the rate of interest is given. Okay, here they have given you the cash price. See, under the second method, what happens is they will give the cash price, the installment amount they will give, but interest amount is not added to the installment amount. Okay, they will not give you the installment amount that is including interest. Okay, then rate of interest will be given. See, in the problem I'll explain you. X purchased a scooter on the following terms. Cash price of the scooter rupees 10,000, of which rupees 4,000 to be paid on signing the agreement, and the balance to be paid in 3 equal installments. Now 10,000 minus 4,000 is 6,000. Now 6,000 will be paid in 3 installments. See, installments means 2,000 each, but interest is not added, plus interest. Okay, if plus interest 10%. Rate of interest is given, but you have not In the problem, they have not given the installment amount, the total installment amount, that is including interest. So in that case, how to calculate? In the last case, they have given you the installment amount including interest. Okay, so including interest, here interest is not included. There we know the installment amount, it is 2000, but in that interest is not included, it is plus interest. So in that case, how to calculate interest? Okay, so we have cash price, we have down payment, we have the installment amount, but we don't have plus interest installment amount, and rate of interest is given. Okay, so how to calculate? See here, uh, the calculation is like this. Cash price of the scooter 4000, less down payment, you will get 4000. 6000 into 10% interest. So 6000 into 10% interest, you will get a rate of interest 600 rupees. Now second year, 6000 is remaining, right? 6000 minus 2000, it is 4000. On 4000, 10% interest, it is 400. Okay, again third year, 4000 remaining to pay, minus 2000 they will pay for the second year, remaining is 2000. 2000 into 10%, 200. Okay, so this is the easiest one. 10,000 deduct the down payment, you will get remaining amount. On the remaining amount, calculate the interest. For second year, the 2000 installment will be paid. On the remaining, you have to calculate interest. Third year beginning, the last year's installment 2000 paid, so 2000 into 10%, so the interest will be 600, 400 and 200. Okay, so this case you will follow when cash price is given, installment amount you know, but plus interest you don't know. With including interest, if you don't know the installment amount, and the rate of interest is given, in that case how to calculate the interest? These are the two cases. Thank you. Go through the problem. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. Thank you.